Here are some of the best IPTV players for 2024. Number one, you got the VLC Media Player. VLC is a free and versatile media player that supports a wide range of formats. You can easily stream IPTV channels by adding their URLs, making it a great choice for beginners. Number two, Perfect Player. This user-friendly IPTV player has a clean interface and supports EPG, Electronic Program Guide, for easy channel navigation. It's perfect for organizing your favorite channels. Number three, IPTV Smarters Pro. This app is popular for its simple setup and powerful features. It allows you to watch live TV, movies, and series, and supports multiple playlists. Number four, Kodi. Kodi is a highly customizable media center. With the right add-ons, you can access IPTV services and enjoy a wide variety of content. It requires some setup but offers great flexibility. Number five, you got TV Mate. So TIVI Mate. Designed specifically for IPTV. TV Mate offers an easy-to-use interface and supports multiple playlists. It's perfect for managing your channels and viewing options. I know you guys like the mistakes. I'm not redoing this video. These IPTV videos make it easy to watch your favorite shows and movies, providing great features for a smooth viewing experience. Let me know if you like it. Let me know what you like. Comment something. Right? Hallelujah!